my side. Backwoods, so it's all good. Hennessy, make it taste good. Shawty classy with a freaky side. Real one, make you boss up. Down bad, I can call her. Ooh yeah, sex so good, might get a Birkin. She deserve it.
It's your girl Queen Cierra, and I am back at it again with another freaking video. So if you see the quality has changed, my camera had died, so I'm currently filming this this intro on my iPhone. But yeah, this is how the end result turns out. I am kind of feeling it, kind of not, to be honest. I kind of like it, I kind of don't like it. But yeah, the hair did not curl perfectly like as a human hair would, a human hair wig would, but for it to be synthetic, it's okay, it's alright. So yeah, it's just something about it I'm just not 100% sold on. I'm like about 85% about this overall look, not just like the hair, like the overall look. And I haven't, maybe it's because I haven't worn a side part in a really long time. It could be that, but yeah, I just reinstalled my wig from a couple videos, I think it was a video or two ago. So if you want to see the initial install, it'll be here on the screen in one of the corners when I first take it out the packaging, how it looked. And this is about a couple weeks later, and it's holding up. The wig is holding up really well. Yeah, so this wig held up really good. Everything I use will be listed and linked in the description box below. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms: Instagram, business and personal, TikTok, business and personal. Yeah, so I hope you guys love today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do not mind my broken nails. And I will see you baddies in the next video. I love you guys so much. So let's get started. I am putting on my wig. I did not do the bald cap method because I'm gonna take this wig off after I film this video, to be honest. So I feel like I don't need to do the bald cap method. So I didn't do it. You don't have to. If you choose to do the bald cap method, that is fine. Yeah, it's up to you if you want to do it or not. So now I'm just putting my wig on, adjusting it, making sure the sides match up, and I am putting the comb in the wig, the back of the back comb into my braids. And now I am taking these two clips to pull back the hair so I can focus on this hairline and make it melt into the skin as much as possible. So now I'm going to be taking the bad hair hairspray. I'm going to be spraying that onto my forehead. I only did 2 layers because I'm going to take this wig off basically after I film this video and take some pictures. And so yeah, if you didn't already, go follow me on the gram and go follow me on TikTok. So yeah, now I'm just using my hand to just fan it a little bit because this hairspray dries very fast. So you don't really need to use a blow dryer. You can just use your hands to just fan it, or if you break your forehead up into sections, like 3 parts, about time you get to your first initial part that you spray, it's already gonna be semi-dry. So that's why I don't use a blow dryer, but you can if you want to. Just because I'm trying to get that work in. Looking at your face, I know it's hurting, but you don't pay my bills. Please don't ever try and get too cozy. Please don't try and act like I don't notice. Now I'm just taking that elastic band. I'm just tying down my lace to melt my lace into my skin as much as possible. So off camera, I tried to curl this week. I don't know what's up with me and synthetic wigs, but I watch videos, I read instructions, I watch TikTok videos on this, and the girls be saying that you can curl a synthetic wig. Now, in my experience, that is semi-true, because I've been trying to curl my synthetic wig. Now, the curls, it kind of curled, but it kind of didn't. The way I like my curls, I like them nice and tight. And this was a more of a beach wave on second, third day. Or you get like some nice curls and it's like the third or fourth day. Like, it was giving very old curls when I just did them. And it was not the look I was going for. At the end of the day, the look came out kind of, the look came out cute, but these synthetic wigs, I feel like I really be low-key fighting with them for them to curl. So I do not suggest you to curl your synthetic wig like they say that they can, because I tried it and look, I just burnt myself. But I tried it to curl it using flexi rods, dip them in hot water. That didn't work. I tried regular rollers, dip them in hot water. That didn't work. I tried spraying the hair, rolling them. They didn't work. So this is the last technique I tried. So I ended up taking the bed head, spraying the hair, brushing it through, and then curling the hair around the wand. And now you see some curls came out cute, some curls didn't. Like, this first bang piece is kind of crinkly. So I mean, the look is cute for very, very, very messy body wave beach hair. It's not my favorite. This will be like I'm running errands here. I don't really care for these curls, like, to be honest. But the hair is cute. It's just, I wouldn't go nowhere special and wear these curls, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, the curls are definitely so much better when they first come out the box. So yeah, I don't know, these wigs, I really be fighting with them to curl. Like, I don't know what's going on, but I just can't. They just won't curl. Like, it's not like I can't curl, they just won't curl. So I don't know. So today I just want to try a different parts. Yeah, I know I haven't been wearing a side part lately, so I want to bust down a side part. And please, y'all, please learn from me. Do not put hair mousse on your part and then try to hot comb it, because literally I feel like my scalp was gonna burn. Like, it was so hot. So be careful when you are using your hot comb. Do not use hair foam and then put it on your part with the hot comb. Like, use a wax stick. Don't use a wax stick. Use a wax stick. Use a wax stick. Use a wax stick. Wax stick. Use a wax stick. Okay. And I did fix that little side burn off camera, because my tweezers, I really was fighting with the sideburn because my tweezers are so dull that the hair was not pulling out. So I really had to fight with it off camera. So yeah. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I know you liking this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now I'm just going to take in my yellow Got To Be Glued, and I'm just going to lay and swoop my baby hairs. Yeah, there's nothing special about this. I'm just swooping my baby hairs. And yeah, I just got, you see that thick, yeah, I got it together at the end, because I was like, oh, it's kind of cute. And then I was looking, I was like, oh no. So I had to fix that off camera. So yeah, don't mind the thick baby hairs right now. They're gonna be fixed at the end of this video.
Just because I'm trying to get that working. Looking at your face, I know it's hurting. But you don't pay my bills. Please don't ever try and get too cozy. Please don't try and act like I don't notice. Sorry, I've been trying to keep it low key. Cause I've got to pay my bills. And work, 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 work. See me happy, work, 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 work. See me doing dirt, 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 dirt. Stop me better, work, 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 work. When you are gonna learn, 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 learn. I'm in the cafe, my ta, 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 ta. They like the way I do it. Everybody knows I keep it moving. They like the way I do it. Cause I don't ever sleep until the morning. Don't wanna end up losing. My eyes on the bottom, now I'm shooting. They like the way I do it, oh do it. Work, 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 work. Say me happy, work, 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 work. Say me do me work, 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 work. 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 Work, 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 work.
So I already cleaned and moisturized my skin, so I'm gonna prime it my face with the Maybelline primer plus blurring, and I'm just going to apply that primer all over my face. If y'all want to update the skincare routine, let me know in the comment section below, and I will get that for you, because y'all know y'all don't have an updated one, and I'm just drinking some water right now. And I just picked up this new elf concealer, and I'm in the shade Rich Chocolate, and I'm just using this to cover up my blemishes. My skin has been doing really good, except when it's that time of the month and I get a couple pimples, like little whiteheads. But besides that, my skin is doing good. I'm just trying to cover up these little dark spots from acne I used to have. So recommend something down below if you know how to fade dark spots. But yeah, I'm using that concealer basically as a concealer, spot corrector / foundation, and this is like my go-to. Every time I'm trying to like every time I go out, this is what I wear on my face. So I let the concealer set for a couple of minutes while I'm working on my eyebrows, and I'm using my Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I just use that brow gel to brush up my brows and push them in the right direction, and then later I will fill them in with my NYX micro brow pencil. And yeah, and right now I'm currently blending my concealer out with my e.l.f. concealer brush. I know I love this brush. So if you haven't gotten this brush already, girl, what are you waiting for? Yeah, I used it in almost every video. Get you this brush. It's just so handy. So yeah, now I'm taking my NYX matte bronzer in the shade medium tan. Deep tan, and my NYX Sweet Cheeks and Baby Doll as my blush. I'm just gonna blend out that blush, and then I'm gonna take my bronzer, quote unquote, and I'm going to use this as a base powder / you're just a setting powder, and it just adds a little bit of color to my skin. So yeah, I do need to get some new makeup because I'm running pretty low. But yeah, this is basically, I wouldn't call it my no makeup look, but it's really good. So now I'm just filling out my brows. And then I'm going to go in with, my favorite liquid highlighter from NYX. And it is called the NYX Total Coverage Pro. drops, and I got the shade Warm.
But you don't pay my bills. Please don't ever try and get too cozy. Please don't try and act like I don't notice. Sorry, I've been trying to keep it low key, 'cause I've got to pay my bills. I work. See me happy, work. See me doing dirt. Stop me better, work. When you I gotta learn. I'm in the cafe, my They like the way I do it. Everybody knows I keep it moving. They like the way I do it, 'cause I don't ever sleep until the morning. Don't wanna end up losing. My eyes on the bottom, now I'm shooting.
And now I'm taking my Wet n Wild. This is actually an eyeliner, and I just use it as a lip liner in the color brown. And I'm taking that same blush that I used on my cheek from NYX on my lips, and I'm taking a small brush and blending both of them together. Then I'm gonna take my Queen Cierra Boutique lip gloss, and I am using Sugar Plum from my lip gloss creamsicle collection on my site. It's an ombre lip gloss. The first half is a nice clear glitter, and then the other half is a dark purpley plum color. So you basically get 2 lip gloss colors in one. How cool is that? Go shop my website, and the link will be in my description box below.